Well, it was a hot Sunday afternoon across southeast Texas. We had that prefrontal warming where it heats up right before a cold front. Got into the mid 80s, but it's cooling off nicely now, down to 55 in Jasper and very windy. Roofing 911 Skycam Network up in Jasper. They have 55 degrees, 60 here in the Triangle. All areas will be in the low 50s coming up by tomorrow morning. And finally, for a change, it's been a few weeks since we've been able to talk about this. Temperatures the next 2 days actually below normal. Low 50s tonight, upper 60s tomorrow, 40s. Tuesday and Wednesday morning, that's below normal for lows, and highs the 70s. It will warm back up toward the middle and end of the week before the next cold front moves in next Friday. We'll have some cooler weather again next weekend. Lots of clouds out there tonight. Have gusty northerly winds. Had some wind gusts over 30 miles an hour. Rain chances pretty much zero tomorrow. And as we talked about yesterday, there's a chance of some sprinkles, maybe some light rain Tuesday morning. As an upper level disturbance works across the area. Next good chance of rain will be Thursday night into Friday. Could see some heavy showers and thunderstorms as we head toward the end of the week along our next cold front, which will arrive on Friday morning of the week ahead, and then a much cooler weekend coming up next weekend. So kind of back and forth pattern this week. Chilly, warm, and then back to chilly weather again next weekend. The fronts offshore did produce a few thunderstorms just to our east this evening in Cameron Parish, cooling off nicely across the state. 62 in Houston, 57 Tyler, some 40s, even some scattered 30s in the northwest as clouds continue to stream in from the west. We'll have lots of clouds tonight. We'll start off tomorrow chilly, lots of clouds. We should clear out some in the afternoon. Now, as we take a look at the upper air pattern, it's pretty quiet now. There was just enough lift to produce some storms just to our east along that cold front afternoon in Calcasieu and Cameron parishes. Here comes our system for Tuesday behind the cold front. So the atmosphere is going to be very, very dry. So we're not expecting any heavy rain Tuesday, mainly just some sprinkles in the morning, maybe enough just to wet the street. But a pretty good disturbance, as you see here in the upper atmosphere coming in on Tuesday. And then Wednesday looks pretty nice with a ridge of high pressure. In fact, here's a look at futurecast for Tuesday. Light rains developing from Polk County back down to the coastline. A little disturbance moving across. So a little bit of light rain, up to 30% now. The area seeing some rain Tuesday morning and kind of winding down in the afternoon. It'll be chilly too, with high temperatures only in the upper 50s to low 60s. So pretty cool weather coming up the next 2.5 days, and that little bit of a rain chance on Tuesday morning. Now, here's the end of the week. This is Thursday night at 6 o'clock. Lots of showers and thunderstorms working in from the west along our next cold front. Could see some 1 to 2 inch rains out of this. We'll put this into motion. Kind of sticking around too. Could be some heavy rains in spots, especially Friday morning around daybreak. It's a slow moving system. We'll see if it speeds up any throughout the week ahead as we get closer to next Thursday night. Friday still going into Friday morning. We need some rain, but we don't need 3 or 4 inches at one time. We'll finally clear out by Friday afternoon of next week. Tonight, big weather stories, the much cooler weather. The wind's pretty gusty. They'll be coming down after daybreak tomorrow. Upper 40s in the morning. Grab the jacket. In the lakes, low 50s here in the Triangle. Lots of clouds early tomorrow. Breezy, cool, 50s. Light jacket needed tomorrow, but notice we'll clear out in the afternoon and warm into the 60s. So it'll at least be a lot cooler, a lot less humidity than what we've had over the past couple of weeks. That's for sure. Then there come the clouds back before our little rain chance there on Tuesday morning. Marine forecast, exercise caution, seas up to about 4 feet. Water temperature at 71 degrees. Tonight, mostly cloudy, windy and cooler. Lows near 50 in the Triangle, upper 40s in the lakes. And for tomorrow, upper 60s, it'll clear. Then we have that rain chance coming up. There's that grilling forecast. Not a good one for tomorrow, that's for sure. 10-day forecast, Cam, there it is. Chilly the next 2 days, warms up. Got some showers and storms, and then it gets cool again next weekend.